Welcome to SciExplore, your gateway to science and space.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are diving into some incredibly exciting news from the Red Planet. Scientists have just spotted what looks like a massive deposit of hidden water ice on Mars, and this could be a total game changer for future human exploration. So why is finding water such a huge deal? Well, if we're ever going to send astronauts to Mars, they'll need H2O. And not just for drinking. Water is crucial for growing food, creating breathable oxygen, and even making rocket fuel for the journey home. Finding it close to the surface, where it's easy to get to, is the ultimate jackpot. This whole concept is called in sci to resource utilization, basically, living off the land. It's the key to making long-term space missions possible. So where did they find it? Researchers were looking at a region called Amazonas Planitia, a vast, smooth plain in Mars' mid-latitudes. This area was already on the short list for potential landing sites for the first human crews. Why there? Because the mid-latitudes are the Goldilocks zone of Mars. They get enough sunlight to power solar panels, but they're still cold enough to keep ice frozen just beneath the surface. It's the perfect compromise. To make this discovery, scientists used the HiRISE camera, which is orbiting Mars right now. It's the highest resolution camera ever sent to another planet, and it can see things on the surface in stunning detail. By studying these incredibly sharp images, the team identified some telltale signs of shallow ice. They saw specific types of craters, weird polygonal patterns on the ground, and other features that, from our experience on Earth and elsewhere on Mars, scream ice. They believe this ice could be sitting less than a meter, that's about 3 feet below the ground. That's shallow enough for an astronaut with a shovel or a relatively simple robot to dig it up. Think about the difference this makes. A trip to the moon and back for supplies takes about a week, but a round trip to Mars? We're talking months, maybe even years. We can't just call for a resupply mission. Astronauts will have to be self-sufficient for a very long time. Having a local source of water and oxygen is not just a convenience. It's a lifeline. This discovery makes this particular spot on Mars incredibly promising for a future base. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about supporting human life. It's also about finding Martian life. Here on Earth, ice is amazing at preserving ancient biomarkers. We've found DNA and microbes trapped in ice that's millions of years old. If Mars ever had life, even simple microbial life, this ice could be holding the evidence. It's like a frozen time capsule waiting to be opened. Finding preserved microbes or signs of past life would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. So, this site has huge astrobiological implications too. So what's next? While the images are extremely compelling, the next step is to get a closer look. Scientists want to use ground-penetrating radar from orbit to map out just how deep and how widespread this ice sheet really is. The layer of dust and rock on top of the ice, called the lag deposit, might vary in thickness, which would affect how stable the ice is. Understanding this will help them pinpoint the absolute best place to send a robotic scout mission. Ultimately, we need boots or wheels on the ground. We'll never know for sure if this is pure water ice or if it is mixed with other minerals until we can send a rover, a lander, or a human astronaut to drill down and take a sample. It's the only way to get real ground truth measurements. We're still a long way from people walking on the Red Planet, but this incredible research is paving the way. It's helping us map out exactly where those first historic footsteps might land. It is a reminder that the dream of becoming a multiplanetary species is getting closer to reality, one discovery at a time. What an amazing time to be a space fan. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on our journey to the stars. See you in the next video.